Wait, I think I lost her. Oh my god, I did. She's going towards the bin. That's so
hiding in a
fucking
bush.
funny.
Oh my goodness, if I need a bush, she doesn't see me. Oh my goodness. She walked into me.
Oh!
They be closed today because it's Friday.
Kill him, yes.
Today. Wait a minute.
So people still have to be on campus.
Bro, you're the only one. Okay, Steven got it.
Yo, motherfucker, I'm a little teapot short and stuff. Why the horse got so much cake, bro? Homie got like.
Right?
We got
cake on
that.
cake on
Damn.
cake.
So much cake.
It's okay, he does not have lethal
He's in the
pursuers.
cornfield. He's in the cornfield.
Oh, I
Life
don't
is
think.
crazy, bro. Life is crazy.
They're huge. The hail of blades coming in clutch.
How much crit do you have right now? Like,
Oh my
none.
god.
15.
Get ratioed,
Wait,
loser.
oh,
Oh
zero.
my goodness.
Damn, bro, that's kind of toxic.
Didn't crit.
Wait, what?
Didn't crit.
He's blue.
Maybe we should look at the legendary items, or not the legendary, the
Yo, this dude
cost
got
above these,
baited.
you know?
Holy shit.
What?
The minion.
The baby?
The baby.
Let's
I seem
go.
to have
That's
lost.
big value. That's big value.
Sophie, I swear to you, all the team interference was explicitly I was against.
Oh!
Wrong.
Yo, GTA 7 moment. GTA
One is
7
immune.
notifications. Yo, whenever I go out to drive with Jesse, yo, it's like Jesse stacking Medjai stacks, bro. That dude is just running people over left and right, bro.
True.
How are you so fast?
At least at the they gave it to the Yumi, right?
Alright, guys.
Yo,
my god.
This dude getting
You
ratioed,
did get
bro.
it, actually.
This dude both get a Marcio.
Oh!
Oh,
the broken.
Oh my god. Oh, that's
Oh, what are you?
Oh, jungle dip, jungle
I'm a
dip,
kid. I'm a kid. I'm a kid.
jungle dip, jungle.
Is that sort of like how do I put it? It's like if the value of an Amartio goes up IRL, you get stronger in game. Is that the way it works, or?
So like the Marcio actually coincides with the value of the US dollar.
It's like an NFT, right?
No, it's like inflation. You're into inflation?
I love inflation.
I see.
Martin.
On Emily.
Bro, leave me
support
alone, man.
Rangar. Yeah, this is support Rangar. Yeah, one kill, 3 assist.
Wait, what? The
Get
stun is about
fucked,
through?
idiot. No,
Wow.
unstoppable. Oh my god, he's
Is
one
that-
for those drinking the book. Bro, when's FaZe playing, bro?
Who?
FaZe.
Asked.
I'm killing myself.
Hey, is that? Were you singing the lyrics to Como?
Talk stiffy.
Come real sticky,
Oh, he outplayed me. He outplayed me.
I'm still tanking.
James, that's too much.
No, dude. I didn't. No, dude, it works. See, you got both the kills.
Yo, good shit,
That was
James.
so
That's what I'm
worth
talking
it.
about, James. That's what I'm talking about. W. Let's go.
I'm sending Jerry back in.
Oh, I did not mean to take the sir. My bad.
Damn, Jesse got it fed.
Hey, let's go.
I rooted back.
British moment. British moment. Come here, Swain.
That's a fucking flex on him.
Oh, fuck, Raptors. Oh, this ain't too good.
Oh, it isn't too good?
What's poppin'?
Brand new whip. Just hopped it.
Wait, this is Penta.
I got options. Not if I have anything to say about it.
That crazy.
Not even a Mar merch.
Not even a Mar merch.
Bro, you know me. Rip Bozo.
But,
Whatever, I guess I'll just make it
Then,
work.
but for everyone to be in the same guild, which I think we could do everything, we could do all the content of the guild, the game with just us. So there's like no reason for us not to.
I'm a freak. Get the clip out. Oh my.
Oh, she's.
Bro, what the fuck is going on?
He's just crawling. He's just crawling.
He just has to keep crawling.
Wait. We did it.
Oh my fucking god, she has to be so mad.